Okay guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your sprite jump and move in Scratch. So, you have to copy all of this. So, the exact numbers, oh well, not the exact numbers, but you can copy these. Maybe if you want to do it exactly like mine, your sprite is gonna be moving like this. So, yeah. So your sprite's gonna be moving like this. And, you gotta I don't think if this is correct or something because it doesn't whatever. It still works, right? Oh, I gotta separate them. Okay, okay. And as you see, it's like this. And I'm going to tell you how to jump after you copy all of this when you pause the video. So you have to click this, and then you have to click forever. And then you have to click if. So right here, if. And then you gotta do key up arrow pressed or space. It both counts as jumping. So right here. And then you're gonna have to do repeat 10, change Y by 10. Okay, where is repeat 10? Okay, right here. You gotta click this. Repeat 10. And then you gotta change the Y by 10. So you gotta change Y by 10. And then you're gonna have to wait 0.1 seconds because you only want him to jump once, right? Yeah. So you can't have your players like cheating by infinitely spamming the jump button. So you gotta do wait 0.1 seconds. And then you gotta wait 0.1 seconds. Maybe 0.1. Yeah, 0.1 seconds. And then change 10. Okay, and then I meant repeat 10. Change Y by minus 10. Where's Y? Oh, right here. Okay, change Y by minus 10. Repeat 10. Change Y by minus 10. Okay, so you got it? Oh, but you have to put them all right here. So, yeah, something should be like this, and then your sprite can jump fluently. Ta-da. You can do lots of stuff with this. See? You can jump and everything. So you can put this levels for testing or something. Yeah, you can do levels for testing, but for now I'm gonna name it ground, and yeah. So if you can create levels with this, very cool levels with this, like you can do that, and then you can just create this. You fill it in with gray, so it looks like a rock. But the question is, this thing can still go through the wall. So, yeah, be sure to watch part 2 to see how to make the character not go through the wall and also go up the slope. Bye.